channel. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button in there and the notification bell as well so that you're updated to my next film. And please guys, don't touch the skip ads. Just let it play. Okay? Thank you. And thank you so much also to those my YT family, brother and sister who stay on my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Thank you. Thank you to all of you. And now we're going to cook a hipon. Do you know what is hipon? A shrimp. We're going to cook shrimp with tamarind soup. Okay, and I have all the ingredients here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, are you ready? We're going to cook now. I hope you like it. I'm gonna cook hipon in my own way. Alright, let's start. Alright guys, this is our hipon. This is our hipon. Right there. We have our tomato. Then we have our tamarind powder and sampalok mix original. We need this one. Then we have, what is this? Talong, right? We have our talong. And then okra. We have radish. The radish. Alright. We have chili. Put it here. Pepper. Chili the capsicum. This is the onions. We have onions. This. Then we have the string beans. String beans and the water spinach. Look at my knife, very small. I only have one knife. This one only. This onion. We're going to cook now for our dinner. I don't have chopping board, that's why I'm just making like this. Onions. Alright, we have the string beans. String beans. Like this. Parang malapit na itanim to Magulang na. Then this string beans. Alright. This is our string beans dito. Wash ko na agad. Okay. This is it. This is okra. You need to wash okra. Please. And thank you guys for coming. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. I really like vegetable like this. I like vegetable, fish, something like that. I'm not a fan of meat. Yeah, this is water spinach. We need to wash it very well, the water spinach. Yeah. And make it like this. Clean very well. You guys eat like this, the spinach? I like all the vegetables. All green leafy vegetables. I clean the leaves one by one. Important to make sure that your food is clean. Then we have eggplant. That's what friends are for. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. How blessed I am. I have a lot of friends. Nice friend like you. Like you guys. Even you're far, even you're too far from me, I feel like you are here. You're watching me here while I'm cooking. It's like you're my family. You are family to me. Yeah. This is talong. And we have radish. Radish. I only have this. I don't have any. I don't have peeler. Sanay naman akong gumamit nitong kuchilinari. Alright. Wash. There you go, our radish. We have our, what is this? Capsicum? May gulay. We're going to slice our tomato. Tomato. Then cut like this. Okay, just cut into cubes. Alright. Alright, this is our ingredients, and we are going to put this one, the onion first, onion. Then next is our tomato. Alright. Then I'm going to put also our, piliin natin dito, our radish. So, lagyan na natin ang ating string beans. Right? So, we're going to put the next is eggplant, the talong. Talong. Ito yung ating susunod na yung water spinach. Ay! I need to put this one already, the capsicum. Okay. Then we have the okra, and we need this ground pepper, ground black pepper. Ayan. Like this. More. Okay. Ground pepper. And then a pinch of salt. Just a little bit. Then we are going to put the next is our shrimp. The shrimp. Ako lang naman nakakain nito. This is for my morning, my lunch, and dinner. Then add our sinigang mix. Ayan, our tamarind. Okay. our water spinach all together. And we need, alright, this is our sinigang. Yan. Who like this? Who really like this? Who likes shrimp and vegetable? See? Water spinach, okra, see? Lots of vegetable. Alright guys, let's eat. But our rice not yet cooked. Not yet cooked. Alright, let's eat guys. Yahoo! This is our for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. Come on guys, let's eat. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much. I hope you like this. This is how I cook hipon sinigang. Alright guys, we're done. And this is our hipon. And this is our hipon sinigang. Come on, let's eat guys. Alright, let's eat. Who will join me here? Yummy, right? Let's eat. That's it, guys. And my rice is already done also, already cooked. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.